In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add whole suite in TradingView Pro. Before we jump into the steps, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. Having a clean chart visible will make it easier to follow along and see the changes as we add the indicator. First, look towards the top of your TradingView window. You'll see a menu bar above your chart. In that bar, there's a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies panel, which is where you can access all built-in tools, community scripts, and any custom indicators you've saved. Once the Indicators panel is open, you'll notice a search box at the top of that window. This is the quickest way to find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in the search box, type whole suite. As you start typing, TradingView will filter the results in real time. You should see whole suite appear in the list of indicators below the search bar. Make sure you select the correct one labeled whole suite from the results. When you see it, click on it once. The moment you click, TradingView will automatically add whole suite to your current chart. You'll now see the whole suite overlay appear directly on your price chart. Depending on the default settings, it may show up as a smooth colored line that changes color based on trend direction, or as a combination of lines that react more quickly to price than a standard moving average. If you want to adjust how it looks or how sensitive it is, move your mouse over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart. Click the settings icon next to the whole suite label. In this settings window, you can change colors, line thickness, and key inputs like length to better match your trading style. If you are using TradingView Pro or planning to upgrade, remember that Pro gives you more indicators per chart and overall better performance, which is very helpful when you combine whole suite with other tools. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for TradingView Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and ensures you get the full feature set that works best with setups like this. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully added whole suite to your TradingView Pro chart.